Hello everybody, I am Sarthak Malusare, first year PhD student working with Dr. Emmanuel Fraunhofer in EASN. I would be talking about my work during my first year of PhD. I am working on testing the evolutionary species interactions abiotic stress hypothesis. How species are distributed across a landscape and what factors affect their spatial distribution is a fundamental question in ecology and evolutionary biology. One major factor determining species ranges are the climatic conditions and abiotic factors faced by all the living organisms. These may include the water availability, salinity, or temperature. But the organisms are also involved in various biotic interactions like competition, facilitation, or predation, which makes their distribution dependent on the presence of their interactors, in addition to the above mentioned abiotic factors. Now, rapid climate change due to anthropogenic drivers has made it crucial for us to be able to predict how distributions of organisms will change for making decisions regarding their conservation and management. We also need to be able to understand which factors, biotic or abiotic, have major effects on our predictions. With regards to this, the species interactions abiotic stress hypothesis, also termed as SIASH, suggests that species range limits are set by abiotic factors like water availability, salinity, and temperature under relatively stressful conditions, and range limits are set by biotic interactions like competition, facilitation, and predation in relatively benign conditions. But the theory lacks integration of evolutionary concepts like adaptation of the organism to their current environment, evolution of traits like dispersal, and co-evolutionary changes with their abiotic interactors. Therefore, here I plan to investigate the SIASH in an evolutionary context. This project is integrated within the ANR JCJC ECH obtained by Dr. Emmanuel Fraunhofer. More specifically, I am working on temperature selection experiment on multiple species involving Tetrahymena thermophila as a focal species, Paramecium caudatum as a competitor, Euglena gracilis as a facilitator, Blepharisma species as a predator, and Serratia fonticola as a food resource. After selection and establishing evolved strains of above-mentioned organisms at various temperature points, I plan to carry out range expansion experiments across a temperature gradient in a linear landscape. The range expansion experiment. To investigate the range expansion of focal species into a gradient with increasing temperature and to study the effects of biotic interactions in this process, I will carry out range expansion experiments in a linear interconnected landscape with a temperature gradient. The first part of the range expansion experiment will include the dispersal of Tetrahymena across an interconnected linear uniform temperature landscape. This will provide us with a control to which we can compare further experimental treatments. In the second part, I will introduce a temperature gradient from 20 degree to 40 degrees Celsius into the linear landscape across which I intend to study the dispersal and range dynamics of Tetrahymena. The results from this experiment act as a baseline for comparing the effects of any further treatments applied to Tetrahymena populations dispersing into the temperature gradient landscape. In the third part, I aim to study the effects of biotic interactions on the dispersal of Tetrahymena and range dynamics obtained at the end of the range expansion experiment. I will introduce interactors along with Tetrahymena in the temperature gradient landscape and examine the effects of the interactor on the range dynamics of our focal species. The temperature pre-evolved strains of study organisms would help us to execute the experiments in various permutations and combinations for biotic interactions and different selection histories. Thank you.